Alright, what's up everybody? Today's video we're going to do a ride from here in Bluefield, Virginia at the Veterans Memorial down into Welch. One of the things the veterans do is to pay our respect, you leave a penny. It's typically on a grave, but we'll also do it on memorials. And a penny just means that you visited the grave and you're showing respect. A nickel would mean you went to boot camp with them. A dime means you served with them. And a quarter means you were there when they died. So we come over here, we're going to show our respect. And we're going to go for a little ride down into the cap. Here we go. So, if you ever talk to almost anybody from West Virginia and just mention the word the county, they will know exactly what you're talking about. They are talking about McDowell County. Welcome to McDowell County, home of the Rocket Boys. There's a locals like to call it McDowell County. This place used to be the heart of coal and still really is. Most of the coal, a lot of the coal that comes out of West Virginia comes from this county. So when I go through here, I'm going to point out several different stops. Working for the railroad, we're down here a lot. Coal was big business in this area. So I'm going to show you some of the different areas down through here, and also show you what the war on coal has done. So now we're coming into the town of Norfolk. There's a lot of four-wheeler type stuff down through here. This is the 8 straight years of basketball champions. This is like a basketball big time down in this area, or it was at one point. As you can see, it has really taking a hard hit when it comes to the war on coal. That's their version of a park over there. House is falling down. People living in it, one of those have fallen down. That's leaving North Fork. Now we're going to go into Keystone, another little town, very similar, little mining community. This Keystone to me seems like it's a little bit better, but not a lot. You still got a lot of the same things. A lot of the old coal camp houses over there. Church, a mining hall right up here. The union miners, those people. Of course, you know, the main line, the main train line goes right through town, so it's right there. There's an old coal mine over there. I think that is shut down, but they have talked about firing it back up. Next little town we come to is Elkhorn. Coal trucks going by as we speak. You can see this town suffering too. To the right over here is a yard. A lot of the coal comes out of the mountain. It comes down to this yard and it gets loaded there.